Hello everyone, welcome to JSDPD. Today I will show you how can you install latest iOS 14 in your iPhone. It is supported in iPhone 6s and later, also in iPhone SE and SE2. To install you need to go to betaprofile.com first of all, then you need to download iOS beta profile. Press allow, then go to settings. From settings you need to go to general, then profiles, and you need to install the iOS 14 beta profile. Okay, after installing, if you go to software update and check for update, you will get an update, download and install it. I already installed iOS 14, so I will show you the feature of iOS 14. So top feature and also the hidden feature of iOS 14. So the best top feature is you can now use widget panel or widgets in your home screen. Like I use this widget. You need to drag and drop the widget from the widget panel to the or the today panel, from the today panel or the widget panel to your home screen. Also you can edit and add more widget. Also you can add a smart stack where you can use multiple widget at once. You can use one widget and you can drag and drop another widget over it, and then you can swipe and use this widget as a multiple widget, smart stack, what Apple called it, smart stack. So this was the widget panel. Also there is a new app library. If you go to the site of your home screen, you can see there is an app library, and from this app library you can get suggestions app or recently added app and more apps. If you touch on the large icon, the app will be launched, and if you touch on the smaller icon, other apps will show. Okay, so this was the app library. Also from app library, if you swipe down, you can get a list view of all of your apps, and also a search panel. You can search for the apps, or you can get the list view of all apps. So this is the app library where you can check out your others app. To edit or to add more widget on the widget panel, you can go to edit and then you can add from here, and after that you can add on the home screen. So there is also another feature for every iOS. New wallpaper comes out with iOS. So this is also for the iOS 14. Here is iOS 14 3 new wallpaper, where you can use this wallpaper as dark or light wallpaper. Okay, so total 6 wallpaper. No live wallpaper. I hope Apple will add more wallpaper for latest for next version of iOS. So there is a special feature in touch. From accessibility touch, there is a back tap. This is a very good feature. You can tap on the back of your iPhone and take a screenshot. Double tap, I set it for a screenshot. I will set triple tap for Siri. Okay, so you can see if I double tap, it will take a screenshot. Okay, it will take a screenshot, you can see. And if I triple tap on the back of my iPhone, it will bring up the Siri. So there is a new thing about Siri. The Siri animation is new, you can see, and it's small. It is not whole screen. Before it was whole screen. Siri take out the whole screen, but now Siri only takes a small portion of the screen, bottom middle part. Okay, I can ask anything to Siri and it will answer it within on the short space. Okay, you can answer. You can ask Siri and get answer from Siri, and also you can see the background of your home screen or whatever app you are using before asking Siri. So if I ask Siri what's the weather like today, it will show me the weather panel. What's the weather like today?
Here's the forecast for today.
You can see it's showing the weather panel top of the home screen. So this is a very convenient feature because before it take whole space of the home screen, now it will take only a portion of the home screen. So home screen or the display screen. So new more feature is you can get folder option from voice memo. In voice memo app, before there was no folder option or there was no control over folder, but now you can get folder option. You can create folder and organize your voice memos. It is a very important feature because before it was not available on iOS. Now it is available. And a new app Apple announced within iOS 14 called Translate. With Translate, you can live translate voice from one language to another language. Only these list of languages are supported now. Later will be other language added. So if I try Chinese to English, you can check me out. Okay. So, Oshishanma, what am I? Okay. So okay, I am not good at Chinese, so also not good in English. So this was the video. You can check out the latest iOS version and you can enjoy the new features. Also like, share, and comment and suggest me. I know my English is not that good, but I am trying to show you some new feature of iOS 14. I hope you get it. And the to tap back tap feature is very important, I think, and I like this feature most. What feature you like, you can comment under the video. Okay, so today enough is for today's video. Thank you for watching. Tata, goodbye.